You come over here and push on his knee. We're going to do it without the rope.
Okay.
Without the rope, okay?
Okay.
Because now, all you're doing is pushing on this knee.
Okay.
And you're just stepping out. You can do a chop with it if you want. Okay? So, push on that knee. Because the harder you push on his hands, the more it generates into your chop. Okay? Right, feel that?
Yeah.
So don't think about putting energy in the chop. Think about putting the energy here. And it will put the energy in the chop.
So chicken foot starts.
And then the timing of it too, yeah.
Weapon for a body, so it has to.
That's the timing part of it. The power and the delivery of the power. Okay, so the timing is, if I put the timing here, it goes out, 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 out. Now, there's tension here.
Yeah.
Okay?
All right.
Release the tension, push with the knee at the same time. Okay. You ever notice when I get close to you guys and do this real close, what do I do with my hand?
You load me.
I put the tension here, right? I release the tension. Okay? I'm making it easy on myself to time it. Okay? So when you do a regular chop, you go out until it has the tension, and then you time either if I'm going this way, it's a turn of the hip. If I'm going this way, it's an expansion of the knees.
Oh, okay.
Right? Okay, but I build the tension in the chop either way.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
So there. Build the tension. And you could build the tension even close by tightening these more. Right? Or I could build it out here. I'm tensing here.
Right.
Right? Anyway, you can actually, when you learn it, you simplify it it's easiest to go out to here and find it. And then just that little bit.
Right, so that will snap.
Yeah. The reality is when you get good at it, you can do it anywhere.
Yeah.
Right? But for learning purposes, we do it out here.
Right.
Okay? And then eventually you just learn, I just put tension and snap. It's easy. You can put it anywhere. Okay? But keeping the basics and principles, we'll put it out here. 3/4 extension, snap it right there. Okay? So yeah, do that with him pushing on the knee, time your, and you could set it out there and bring your tension and then, yeah, there, yes. Feel, together, right? Right. This is the concept of Dashio used to always talk about. It can only go one way. What the heck did he mean by it can only go one way? It means you push both ways, but it's really hard to move the earth. Right. Impossible. Yeah. Right? So therefore, because you cannot move the earth, because of its huge mass, it can only go one way.
Right.
But you're thinking both.
Yeah.
You're thinking both. Right? That was that time.
It was, yeah.
Yeah, big time.
Load up on the knee too.
Yeah, there you go. There you go, now you get it. Now the other thing that will help you is pushing the thumb in to reinforce the fingers, right?
Yeah.
If the thumb is wavering, then this doesn't get tight and you lose power. Okay. Put it right on the back of that finger. Yeah, and push on it. Push with the thumb. See how it makes it snappier? Yeah. Makes your hand snap more. No snap. Yeah. Still bury it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the trigger. Now if I add both and then, right? Below here, below. Releases the energy. Your chi just went out of the thumb. You lost it. The thumb has to push that chi through. And it has to get here. Right? So you got this snap of it turning over, and you got this snap too, and then you got the thumb pushing in. Okay? You've noticed before my hands feel hard, right?
It's like, yeah, I feel it.
Yeah, that's what's making them hard. Because that initiates all the other muscles to tense.
Mm-hmm.
It's hard to tense, you can, but it's hard to tense all those. But if you tense that one into it.
So once I come up, then it's,
Yeah, so you slipped underneath.
okay, so don't, make sure it don't slip off.
Yeah, it's got to be there. It's pushing in. That thumb, and then you block too. When you do a block, hey, that's hard, right? Feels solid.
Yes.
Just the air feels different now.
Yeah. You guys always thought it was magic.
Shit, I feel sorry for whoever's dummying out for block chops.
No kidding, right?
Yeah, no, I just
Now you have that magic. Now you have that magic.
thumb under, which is wrong.
That is
But
wrong.
when I try to snap it, it does not feel the same as when I squeeze that
No,
to that
you won't.
freaking finger,
There's no way it
to
will.
that index finger.
Yeah, right.
Like this kind of goes out the door.
Yeah, no.
That's like a solid piece.
Rock. Okay. Same thing this way, right?
It's a snap.
Oh. Right.
That's how you're breaking
Yeah.
4x4s.
Oh, make that thumb reinforce that sucker, right? Or just hit with the thumb. That's different.
You gotta
But
get
you
that
still-
part, though.
Yeah.
No, here.
Either way.
You can't hit with that.
Like that. That way.
Oh,
Chant.
why didn't he on soft tissue? Soon as you wear soft tissue, yeah, of course.
You can do this.
Yeah.
You can also. This is.
Right.
We don't use this. This is not commonly taught.
No, this is.
That is.
That is, yeah.
We don't commonly teach it.
Mhm.
It is a Shoshi weapon, without a doubt.
This just makes it easier to get that down. Versus.
I just showed you that. You remember that I used to tell you that Dash used to go, I think I can knock you out from here.
Ah!
I don't think
That's
I've heard
what
that,
he's
but that's
doing.
awesome.
I just showed you a secret. Here, boom. There comes in.
Kind of.
Knock. Yeah, do that hard, a little twitch.
Yeah.
Ooh,
God.
here. Drop. Like this, right? Little twitch in the body. With a nerve. Boom.
Right.
Straight out.
Well, that that little bit, I felt a little go from about there to there.
Little zinger.
Yeah.
Yeah.